Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 97. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Learned counsel for the appellant argued his case and submission were made by him. We may make it clear at the outset that none of the appellant belong to the category of either SC, ST or ex-servicemen, and their claim is also not against these categories. Hence, we consider it unnecessary to consider the validity of the selection of the candidate made in these two categories. In other words, we confine our consideration to the validity of selection of the candidate made in the general category. Mainly, the submission made on behalf of the appellant were that after declaration of the result of the written examination on 1/4/1998, standard could not have been lowered for making other 40 candidates eligible for the purpose of interview criteria could not have been framed after declaration of result of the written examination. Maximum 21 candidates could have been called for the interview in the ratio of 1:3 in the general category on the basis of the merit of the written examination, whereas out of 78 candidates whose result was declared on 1/4/1998, more than 60 candidates from the general category, learned additional solicitor general and learned senior counsel for the respondent at the outset submitted that they have preliminary objection for the very entertaining of this appeal and considering the contention advanced on behalf of the appellant on merit having regard to their conduct. According to them, the appellant made deliberate misrepresentation with regard to the allocation of marks, stating that 150 marks were for the written test and 100 marks for interview. Further, malafide were attributed to authorities on the basis of the relation and political influence which they gave it up before the High Court but again reiterated in the SLP. According to learned counsel, these two grounds are good enough to dismiss the appeal by revoking leave granted without examining them on merit. Although we find justification in these submission, but having heard the parties at length, we consider these appeal on the merit of the contention as well. On behalf of the respondent, further submission were made explaining the criteria fixed in what circumstance more number of candidates were called for the interview and how the selection made was fair and proper. According to them, calling more number of candidates for interview did not vitiate the selection made having regard to the fact and circumstance of the case, at any rate the appellant being lower in merit, even otherwise could not get any benefit. According to the learned counsel for the respondent, the impunged judgment of the High Court is perfectly valid and justified. They also submitted that pursuant to the selection made and the selected non-official respondent have been continuing in service since May 1998, that is, they are continuing in service for about 5 years by now, and as such these are not the fit cases for exercise of jurisdiction under Article 136 of the Constitution of India to interfere with the impunged judgment and order. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.